Off-Road. Super pumped to be here at the Jeep Beach 2021. I want to talk to you about the awesome Gladiator that we have in our booth. So I'm super excited about this lift kit. We're looking at the 3-inch lift kit by Zone Off-Road. What's great about this 3-inch lift is that it's upgraded with the Adventure Series box shocks, which gives you great performance on and off-road. So we got the Mickey Thompson 38 by 13.5 sitting on the black Rhino 17-inch wheels. Up front we got the factory steel bumper, outfitted with aftermarket halogen lights, CB antenna. So one of my favorite colors on the Jeep is the Gobi Tan. What looks amazing is that we wrapped it to match the Rubicon logo, and we even topped it off with some topographical wrap around the hood vents here. And for more information, go to www.zoneoffroad.com.